Disclosure Scotland's number one priority is safeguarding and protecting the people of Scotland. But did you know? If you are an organisation who works with children or protected adults, you have a duty to report harmful behaviour. This is known as duty to refer. Your duty to refer plays a vital role in protecting children and protected adults. You have legal responsibilities as an organisation to report harmful behaviour to Disclosure Scotland within 3 months. You still have a responsibility to report harmful behaviour, even if it has taken place outside of work. It is important to note, if an organisation fails to report harmful behaviour within 3 months, Disclosure Scotland will report them to Police Scotland. Grounds for referral. Part 1. Harmful behaviour. What type of behaviour falls under the duty to refer? Organisations must make a referral when an individual is shown to have harmed a child or protected adult, placed a child or protected adult at risk of harm, displayed inappropriate behaviour involving pornography, displayed inappropriate behaviour of a sexual nature involving a child or protected adult, given inappropriate medical treatment to a child or protected adult. It is important to note, harmful behaviour by itself isn't enough to trigger a referral. The person needs to have been permanently removed from the role. Grounds for referral. Part 2. Your actions. Harmful behaviour must be reported to Disclosure Scotland when, as a result, an organisation has dismissed the individual, would have dismissed the individual but they left before you could do so, permanently moved the individual away from regulated work with children or protected adults. It is important to note, a referral to Disclosure Scotland has to be made even if police or regulators are involved. Harmful behaviour isn't always criminal, and your organisation may be the only group who know about it. If both grounds for referral are met, harmful behaviour and your actions, you are legally obligated to make a referral to Disclosure Scotland. Not sure if the grounds for a referral have been met? Contact our customer engagement team for advice. Customer engagement at disclosurescotland.gov.scot. How do you make a referral? Download the referral form at mygov.scot/pvg-referrals. The link to download the form is on the right-hand side of the page. The form has been redesigned to make it easier for you to submit the key details, including your organisation, the individual, the incident of harmful behaviour, your actions or investigations. Submit your referral form securely to our investigations team, the Protection Unit. PVG Referrals at assured.systems.gov.scot. If you want to learn more about PVG, watch our PVG videos on our YouTube channel. Or you can sign up for free online training available in this and other PVG topics for organisations. Book your place on our events page, disclosurescotland.eventbrite.com.